In this video, we will show you how to start breeding flowers in Animal Crossing New Horizons. To start, flowers need to be planted next to another flower of the same kind to crossbreed correctly. For example, windflowers will only breed with other windflowers. A good practice is to separate your different breedings using fences so the flowers don't grow out of control and breed in ways you don't plan. Water your plants, and after a few days in-game, you should see the results. You can also breed your hybrid flowers with other hybrid flowers of the same kind for more combinations. Pay attention to how flowers are produced, as some hybrid flowers will look like their normal counterparts, such as the hybrid red flower. Remember where you planted your original normal flowers to avoid a mix-up. Keep in mind that multiple attempts at breeding may be needed for certain hybrids as well. Breeding flowers in Animal Crossing have different chances of success depending on the flowers used, so you may not get the flower you want immediately. For the best results when breeding, use flower seeds rather than flowers found naturally on the island. The only exception would be when breeding flowers found on rare islands. Flower seeds can be obtained easily from Nook's Cranny. For a specific hybrid, we link to a comprehensive chart created by Animal Crossing data miners in the description below to understand how to produce it.